Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 10 peso coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. Guys, this is the 10 peso coins of the Philippines year 2008. Later, I will show you the error of this coin. So as we continue, I will show you the reverse of this coin. This is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. On the lower side, you will see the year 1993, and on the side, you will see the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, as we continue, the year 2008 Philippine 10 peso coin is part of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, featuring the conjoined heads of Bonifacio, Mabini, and Malbar. While generally used for face value, 2008 10 peso coin can have three different varieties, with same being considered harder to find. The 2008 Philippine 10 peso bimetallic generally holds a face value of 10, but in circulated condition it may sell for around $2 to $3 on collectors. While not extremely rare, it is considered slightly harder to find than other years and can be valued higher by collectors. Now let's talk about the coin details. Series BSP 1993 to 2017 covers conjoined head of Andres Bonifacio, Mabini, and Miguel Malbar. Reverse seal of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Composition copper nickel zinc. Diameter 26.5 mm. Rarity. While 2009 is often considered rare for this series, some 2008 variants are noted by collectors to be semi-hard to find or collectibles. Now let's talk about the errors. Errors such as misalignment, tie breaks, or off-center strikes significantly increase value, and also metal excess or extra metal. Now let's talk about the value. The uncirculated coin in mint condition are worth higher. Guys, I will not mention any amount of or value of this coin because the collectors will tell you the exact amount or value of this coin. Because the value of your coin, it depends on the condition of your coins. Okay, now, as I mentioned earlier, I will show you the error of this coin. So guys, this is the error. So I will focus the coin. So this is the coin. The error of the coin. So as you can see here, the cogwheel of this coin here, surround, there is a metal axis or extra metal. This one. From here going to around surrounded, there is a metal axis or extra metal. I will focus the coin. I'm sure you see the extra metal or metal axis in this coin. So guys, this is the error of this coin. There is a metal axis or extra metal. So anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.